C'était FF. Mais c'est bon. Pas la peine de me regarder comme ça. Ah. C'est l'heure de l'élection, c'est ça? Je suppose qu'ils vont tous arriver ici. Donc c'est le forum. Pourquoi est-ce qu'il y a... Je peux faire quoi avec ça? Oui, voilà. Bon, je pense que Malsus va gagner. Parce que clairement... J'ai rien fait pour que ça soit mieux, quoi.
Citizens, we have a quorate body of voters gathered here to elect the city's magistrate. The candidates are Sextus Sentius Imperiosus and Marcus Malleolus Gurges. As agreed, we shall dispense with ballots and candidates will abstain from voting. Let's make this quick. As I say your name, call your vote. I'll start with you, Horatius.
Sentius, of course.
Mais j'ai les lumières, ouais, t'as vu?
Malleolus.
Dacius,
Malleolus.
Galerius,
I abstain. I'm just here to observe.
Virgil,
Malleolus.
Rufius,
Malleolus.
and finally, Domitius.
Malleolus. Who else?
Citizens, you have made your decision. Your new magistrate is Marcus Malleolus Gurges.
Hail, Magistrate Malleolus. I said, hail, Magistrate Malleolus. That's more like it.
Thank you. Thank you. I am delighted and deeply honored to have been elected your magistrate. And now, I make this solemn promise to you, good citizens.
Oh, les panards!
Under my leadership, you will finally enjoy the freedom you deserve. No more shall you walk on eggshells, fearing simply to live and breathe, because the tyrant Sentius told you it was forbidden. For my first act as magistrate, I hereby announce a day of celebration to mark the end of an era. The myth of the Golden Rule is no more.
The Golden Rule is real, you idiot.
For his attempt to deceive us all, Sentius is hereby found guilty of treason against the Empire.
What? I have committed no crimes. This is madness.
His sentence: to fight for his life in gladiatorial combat against Domitius. Here and now for your entertainment.
You have no idea what you're doing. You're going to get us all killed.
Wait, I exercise my right as a Vestal priestess to pardon him. I will not allow you to do this.
You're showing your true colors now, priestess. Your corruption sickens me. Domitius, ignore her. Proceed.
This is insanity. You'll doom us all.
Lies! It is time the Golden Rule was exposed for what it is, a children's fable, exploited by a treacherous leader to instill fear in all of us.
Je sais plus comment retourner au portail.
They've been planning this all along.
Shut up, all of you. The magistrate has spoken. I'm going to enjoy killing you, old man.
The many shall suffer for the sins of the one.
It's the statues. They're alive.
Il est passé où le frérot? Ah! Ah merde, j'aurais dû reprendre la bouteille en partant parce que du coup l'autre là elle va crever. Ah merde, je suis toujours injured.
Salve, friend. Mind telling me who you are and why you look like you've just taken on a gladiator and lost?
J'ai pas pris un gladiateur, je suis juste tombée d'un toit, mais ok. Je m'appelle Curidos et j'ai des tâches urgentes à vous confier.
Oh, sounds serious. I'm listening.
Livia est mourante, mais Lucretia ne peut pas l'aider sans ce silicium. Prenez-en et partez vite.
Yulia? Oh no. All right, I can do that.
C'est ça, foncez, il n'y a pas une minute à perdre.
I'll go. But once I'm done, I'll need you to tell me how you know all of this.
Ok, donc tout va bien en fait. J'ai rien dit. Ah oui, l'autre là, il va se suicider, alors faut vite que je cours.
The 49 melodies fetch again.
Vite, 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 vite. Tu pouvais aller à droite à partir du portail. Hein. Qu'est-ce que tu racontes?
Salve, friend. I'm Octavia. Welcome to life under the Golden Rule.
En vérité, il faut vraiment que je parle à Ulpus.
All right, well, it was lovely to meet you. I look forward to getting to know you better over the coming months. And if you ever...
I can't believe this is how it ends.
Oh no. No. No, 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 no. Orpheus, what are you doing? Get back from there. If you lose your balance, you'll fall.
That's the idea.
What? Why? Why would you want that?
Why do you think I'm stuck for the rest of my life, working for a man who treats me like an animal?
I know things are hard for you right now. They're hard for all of us. We're all in this together, Ulpius. Please, please just think this through. If you do this, it could be the sin that seals all of our fates. Is that what you want?
I'm sorry.
Please, help him. If he goes through with it... Thank you.
Ulpus, est-ce qu'on peut se parler?
Let me guess.
Est-ce que c'est ce que Santilla voudrait?
You know about that? How is that possible? I mean, I've never mentioned it to anyone.
Vous me croirez pas si je vous le disais.
Well, if you say so. You don't understand. I don't want to hurt anyone. I just want it all to be over.
Je peux peut-être vous aider à régler votre problème.
It's too late for that. Yulia and I made a pact, and she's already swallowed hemlock this morning.
Oh.
If I backed out now, I'd be betraying her. I can't do that.
Lucretia a pu obtenir du siliphium à temps pour lui sauver la vie, elle va s'en tirer. Ah, c'est pour ça qu'elle est empoisonnée, elle s'est empoisonnée elle-même.
Oh, really? That changes things a little. But we're still in debt bondage to that monster. Unless you happen to have 2,000 denarii to pay off both of our debts.
Un instant, pourquoi avez-vous besoin de 2000 deniers?
Yulia and I are in debt bondage to Malleolus. We might as well be slaves. And that's how much it will take to buy our freedom back.
Mais... Comment pouvez-vous avoir une telle dette?
Oh. So it's my fault. Is that it? You know what?
Oh.
Forget it. I am out. Wherever you are, Scintilla, my love. I'm sorry.
Ulpius, no! I can't believe he went through with it. That was not your fault. There's no way you could have given him what he wanted, moments after you arrived. I'll have to let everyone know what happened. And I guess Malleolus will have to clean up the mess in his villa. It's of his own make, and I'd best pray for poor Ulpius.
Cette fois-ci, je pense que je vais la suivre. Comment ça saute?
And now, I make this solemn promise to you, good citizens. And now, I make this solemn promise to you, good citizens, under my...
Cet endroit où je peux pas juste défoncer des portes, quoi.
No more should you walk on eggshells, fearing simply to live and breathe because the tyrant Sentius told you it was forbidden. Yes, my first act as magistrate, I hereby announce a day of celebration. I hereby announce a day of celebration to mark the end of an era. Yes.
Non, j'ai fouillé, il n'y a pas grand-chose. Hein.
Did you just leap into my villa from the balcony 100 feet above? That was either extremely reckless or impressively clever. Well, why have you risked life and limb to see me?
Un murmure et tu imites un suicidaire. Bah, oui. Quelle est votre histoire?
I'm Malleolus. And if it wasn't for this interruption, I'd be practicing my victory speech for the election later today.
Qu'allez-vous en faire si vous gagnez?
I'm glad you asked. I'll finally restore freedom to this city, just as I've been promising. These good people have suffered long enough under Sentius's tyranny.
Et comment comptez-vous y prendre?
By declaring there's no such thing as the Golden Rule. It's a children's fable exploited by Sentius to frighten us into submission. Wait, don't tell me you've fallen victim to that monstrous lie?
Qu'est-ce qui vous rend si sûr qu'elle n'existe pas?
The person making a claim bears the onus of proving that claim. Can you do that? Can you prove the Golden Rule is real? Nonsense! There's no way you can prove that. If it was real and you'd seen someone break it, then you'd be dead already.
Je rêvais le même jour encore et la règle d'or est enfreinte à chaque fois. J'ai trouvé un livre rappelle le mythe de la règle d'or. La personne qui l'a écrite est évidemment morte car elle refusait de croire à la règle d'or. Que faut-il de plus pour vous convaincre? Des livres, des notes? Même si je ne peux pas le prouver, si j'ai raison, alors j'accepte de permettre d'éviter des désastres, blablabla. Le livre.
You mean that book next to a golden statue in the theater? Tell me, how do you know that statue wasn't put there by Sentius himself? You can't know, can you?
Qu'est-ce qu'il vous faut pour convaincre? Des livres?
Surely, you're not one of those people who believes everything you read. As if a lie could be transformed into the truth by the simple act of writing it down.
Je revis le même jour encore et la règle d'or est enfreinte à chaque fois.
What? Oh, I see what's happening here. Another poor, vulnerable soul taken in by Sentius's machinations. He won't get away with this much longer.
Même si je peux pas le prouver, si j'ai raison, alors l'accepter permettrait d'éviter les désastres. Si j'ai tort, alors l'accepter transformera la cité en un endroit meilleur. C'est une bonne chose, non?
I disagree. I'll be guided by what is best for the city's people, and that means giving them the freedom to do as they wish. True, but that is simply because you are mistaken. You mean the children's fable exploited by Sentius to scare us all into doing what he wants? I'm afraid not. We're stuck down here together, for better or worse. We're all going to have to make the best of it.
Je veux que vous retirez l'élection.
Are you insane? You barge into my villa, uninvited, and then make outrageous demands? Why would I withdraw from an election I'm bound to win? You fool.
The many shall suffer.
Ah merde!
The sins of the one.
Juste dire! Ah ouais. Donc juste le dire. Ah merde, mais tout est fermé en fait. Je me suis auto... Donc juste le dire, pour eux, c'est en mode ok, tu vas le tuer. Mais du coup, s'il les croyait pas, pourquoi il m'a dit imbécile? Je crois que je suis niquée les gars. Je crois que je peux rien faire. Sauter d'en haut peut-être, mais il y a aucun endroit que il y a de... Ah. Ah tiens. Bah je crois que je suis obligée d'attendre ma mort. Mais oui d'ailleurs, comment est-ce que je suis censée sortir d'ici même juste en mode normal? En sautant? Bah non, c'est pas possible. Comme ça, regarde à côté de la porte de sortie. Mais il n'y a pas de porte de sortie, c'est bien ce que je dis. Ah là! Oh waouh! Ah ouais. Donc juste le dire, ça fait que... Super dur à voir, heureusement que les jaunes sinon impossible à trouver. Bah moi j'avais pas trouvé hein.
Salve, friend. I'm Galeria. this out. Yulia. I'll go.
Tu m'as dit que je pouvais aller à droite, mais y a rien à droite. Si, par là. Non, là je vais juste mourir encore.
Harvey.
Mais tu m'as juste fait prendre un chemin encore plus long en fait. Pourquoi tu m'as dit d'aller à droite?
I was just doing what the new lady told me.
Non, j'ai pas peur des escaliers qui montent. C'est juste qu'il y a rien au bout. Ah bon, il y a un chemin. Mais il y a qu'une corde normalement, il y a pas de chemin.
Salve, welcome. All right.
I can't believe this is how it ends.
Oh no, 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 no. Orpheus, what are you?
That's...
Help!
You... Well, you don't understand. It's too late if I back... Oh, that was... Yulia and I... So... No. I am out.
Ouais, ouais, c'est parce que je me le disais.
Scintilla, my love. I'm sorry.
Orpheus, no! I can't believe... I'll have... and I...
Bon, cette fois-ci, je vais la suivre. Ça sert à rien de retourner dans la flotte, parce que je peux pas convaincre l'autre là. Et je peux pas trouver de clé non plus. Pour la chambre de la meuf. À moins que je pouvais, ah peut-être. Mais en vrai, elle va pas faire grand chose, elle va juste aller se mettre dans une grotte et prier de nuit.
Thank you. Thank you. I do that. Deeply honored. Your Majesty. Thank you. I do promise to you, good citizens. And now, I may...
Ah! Nice. Bonjour!
I'm not supposed to be in here. Talk. What business could you possibly have with me?
Pourquoi vous fermez dans cette pièce?
My marital affairs are no concern of yours. Thank you very much. I think a better question is, why am I being interrogated by a stranger who just barged into my villa? I have quite enough marriage trouble already, without having to explain to my husband why I'm receiving strange women in private. I think it's about to be broken if you don't hurry up and leave. Finally! This is outrageous.
Ça sert strictement à rien. Oh! je vole et comme ça je donne les 2000 à l'autre là et on n'en parle plus. Hein.
The many shall suffer for the sins of the one.
Ouais. Oh, j'aurais pu le fouiller. Bah, au moins je peux lui donner les 2000 balles et comme ça l'autre là il va pas se suicider, tu vois. Donc c'est pas mal. C'est un bon plan, je trouve.
Salve, friend. Oh. Yulia. I'll go, but once I'm done, I'll need you to tell me how you know all of this.
Maybe c'est la bonne run. On y croit. Ce serait bien d'avancer un peu. Non, tu vois, ah, là. Ah, bizarre, hein. J'avais même pas vu. Ah, allez, un effort. Un effort. Merci. T'es sérieux?
Salve, friend.
Ouais, mais si je suis trop lourd pour la liane, je vais jamais l'utiliser en fait.
Ghastly thing, is it not? All right.
I can't believe this is how it ends.
Oh no. No. No, 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 no. Orpheus, what are you doing? Get back from there. If you lose your balance, you'll fall.
That's the idea.
What? Why? Thank
You... Well, you don't... If I... Oh, that was...
Il se trouve que je les ai.
Really? Wait. So, I guess you'd want me to work for you then?
Non, vous serez libre.
You'd do that for us? A couple of complete strangers?
Sure.
It seems today we are both blessed. This did not turn out how I thought. Thank you, friend. I never thought people like you existed.
Tiens, l'argent.
Thank you.
Et là, il glisse. Ah
I'll go
non!
and pay off our debts immediately. I just wish there was some way I could repay you. But I have nothing but the tunic on my back.
Ne vous en faites pas.
I'll go and take care of things with Malleolus and tell Yulia the good news. Thanks again, friend. I'll never forget what you did for us.
What you did was extraordinary, and I'll never forget it. I'm thankful that you're here. Can I help you with something?
Apparemment non.
Ah, that's a shame. Another time then.
Bah c'est bien, ça m'a pas plus aidé que ça, mais... Comment pouvons-nous réussir cette épreuve sans connaître les règles? Ouais, c'est vrai. Je suppose que je peux retourner voir Luya et dire qui était le serpent, mais du coup je suppose que le serpent c'est Malleolus. Bah d'ailleurs, je sais qu'il va break la règle. C'est Malleus en disant que la règle n'existe pas. Du coup, j'ai volé le fric du méchant pour qu'il ait 2000 balles de plus. Bah oui, tout à fait.
You don't need to say anything. Just
Welcome.
rest up, get your strength back, and we'll celebrate properly when you're ready.
I will. Thank you, Ulpius. I will. Sorry, I'm still a bit out of it. Galerius just saved my life. Was there something you wanted? Lucretia says I'm supposed to rest.
Puis-je vous demander ce qui vous est arrivé?
I can tell you, but it's a long story.
J'ai tout mon temps.
All right. I'd been here about a week when it dawned on me I'd be trapped here for the rest of my life. I could hardly breathe, and I knew I had to get out somehow. So when my new friend Aurelia offered me a secret way out, I would have done anything. And then I learned her asking price. 1,000 denarii. She was supposed to be my friend. I told her it would take me years to save up that much. So she suggested I take out a loan from Malleolus. And I did.
Car vous pensez que vous seriez parti d'ici vraiment d'avoir remboursé le prêt?
I'm not proud of it, but yes. I was surprised he agreed to it, to be honest. But I was so happy to have the money I didn't question it. I had to sign an agreement, saying I'd work off the debt over 30 years. But I figured I'd be out of here so soon it wouldn't matter. I paid Aurelia, and she gave me her so-called way out. Do you want to know what it was? Hemlock.
Oh non.
Drink this, she said, and you'll be out of here in no time. Of course, I demanded my money back, but she refused. She pointed to a sign on her tavern saying, "Let the buyer beware." Then she just looked at me with those cruel black eyes and she laughed.
Bon, j'avais raison de pas l'aimer.
She told Malleolus I'd tried to escape without paying him back. Only he didn't seem upset or surprised at all. In fact, he just thanked her. And that's when I realized the two of them had planned the whole thing from the beginning.
Ça leur a sûrement enfreint la règle d'or.
That's what I said to the magistrate. I went to Sentius and begged for help, but he said the law was clear. I'd signed over my labor for 30 years and there was nothing he could do. I thought about resisting too. But Malleolus said if I didn't submit, I'd break the golden rule. And I couldn't be responsible for all those deaths, so he locked me in his villa, confiscated everything I owned as collateral, and made me wear immodest, humiliating outfits while I worked day in, day out. His wife Claudia was just as bad. She set me to work on an endless stream of futile, demeaning tasks. I'd be on my hands and knees, scrubbing the floor clean for hours, only for her to pour slop on it and hiss, "You missed a spot." Those two took everything from me. But they forgot to confiscate one thing. My hemlock.
Alors vous êtes empoisonné.
I just wanted it to be over. But it seems I messed that up too. Should have drunk all of it.
Vous n'êtes pas totalement innocente dans cette histoire. Ah bon? Oh non, si.
I brought it on myself. I trusted one of the most callous human beings I've ever met, and tried to swindle the other. I don't know how I could have been so stupid.
Que voici vous arrivez maintenant?
Well, it seems the gods have decided I've suffered long enough. Because not long ago, Ulpius told me I've been freed from my debt bondage. So I suppose I'm just going to rest for a while longer. I feel like I've earned it.
Quelle est votre histoire?
You mean my life story? Oh, well, I grew up as part of a big family in Rome. Me and 3 older sisters. Our father found good husbands for my sisters, but I wasn't cut out for that kind of life. So he found me a job as a scribe for a prominent merchant. It was a good life for a while, until 7 months ago when the fires came. My colleagues and I worked desperately to try to protect our warehouse. We must have had 100 workers passing buckets of water, chanting prayers to Vulcan, but they fell on deaf ears. The fire was relentless and it claimed everything and everyone. Well, almost everyone. My employer told me to grab what valuables I could and flee for the Tiber with the crowds. I remember diving into the river and then the next thing I knew, I was waking up on the riverbank not far from here. If that's your idea of a joke, it's not funny. Go away.
Oh, mais pardon! Oh! Touchy, hein?
I know what kind of person you are.
Oh! Collectif très populaire. Oui. Bah c'est bien joli tout ça, mais du coup, à part savoir que Malus et sa meuf sont des gens absolument insup, ça m'avance pas plus.
Ah, he fait le tra...
Ah oui, Fabia, je sais pas où elle est Fabia.
Traveler from a faraway land.
Apparemment elle est dans les bains, mais j'ai jamais vu de bain. Non, c'est pas là. C'est pas là non plus. C'est pas là, là c'est les caves. C'est là les bains? Non. C'est ça les bains? Non. Comment ça faut que j'aille au bout du marché? Mais j'y suis déjà allée au bout du marché.
Cerberus lifts his dribbled head and lets out his green bolt, praying. They follow their traits.
Maintenant je suis perdue. Again. Le forum? J'y suis allée au forum. Là, je suis au forum. Là, c'est le marché. Ah.
Help! You have to do something! A man arrived in the baths. Real nasty sort, with his face all covered up. And he's got a weapon. You have to do something, or he's gonna break the golden rule.
Comment j'ai pas d'arme? Une idée de qui menace Virgile. Je m'en occupe.
Thank you. He's still in there, somewhere. I have to hide. Find me in this empty shrine when it's over.
N'entrez pas là-dedans.
Why?
Un mauvais pressentiment, faites-moi confiance.
All right, fine. Come and find me my bakery instead. Please be careful.
J'ai sauvé la vie de Fabia? Ok. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le temple? Bah pour le coup, ouais, ça spoil. Hein. Ah, oh là, le changement. Oh là. Je change de map, attention. Qu'est-ce que c'est que cette merde? De la roche volcanique? Non. Oh ouais!
Come and join me by the fire. Welcome, welcome. May I ask your name?
Oui, Kyrinos.
It's a sincere pleasure to meet you. Tell me, what brings you all the way down here?
Je trouvais ça mort par accident.
Then perhaps the fates brought you here to learn the secrets of this place. I will tell you everything I know, but first, a request. I have been living down here alone for many years, with nobody to talk to but myself. The one thing I long for above all else before I die is a good philosophical argument with somebody astute. And hoping that person is you. Let us find out with this simple question. Have you deduced the name of the god responsible for the Golden Rule?
No.
You have much to learn. It's best if you figure it out on your own. Come back once you've made progress.
J'aimerais que vous me le racontiez.
Then you should speak with your contemporaries in the city above. Ask them about their stories and see if you detect a pattern of some sort. It is best if you come to this realization for yourself. You would never believe me if I told you.
Vous êtes méchant, monsieur. C'est quoi ma quête là? Ah oui, là, l'intrus.
Ah, you've returned.
Oh, le chargement. Ouf. Gros chargement. Et ben... Ah, les termes, ils sont là. Ah, mais c'est de là que j'ai spawn. Oh, un arc. Ça tombe bien, j'en ai besoin.
Stop right there. I am looking for Tiberius Quinctius Crispus, otherwise known as Quinctius. Do you know where he is? Thank you. For your service to the Empire, I'll let you live for now, but you'd best make sure our paths don't cross again.
Je peux pas le fouiller là? Oh. Du coup, dans sa boulangerie, c'est où sa boulangerie?
Whatever's in that great temple up there on the bluff.
Ah, c'est là. Apparemment, il a eu un accident, mais je l'ai pas vu.
An accident? So, it's over? Oh God, it's such a relief. I really thought we were all going to die. I do have a question though. That shrine, the one I was going to hide in, did you know it was going to collapse?
Non. Bah c'est pas à mentir, je savais vraiment pas.
Really? Then how? Oh, I see. I should probably keep my big mouth shut then. Sorry. I promise, nobody else will ever know what you did. But I know. That was really clever. Thank you. I'm glad you're here. Oh, speaking of which, welcome. I'm Fabia. Sorry I was a bit frantic before. Need anything?
Je m'en vais récupérer l'arc, je reviens.
Thanks again for...
Whatever's in that great temple up there on the bluff.
Empereur Néron a ordonné l'exécution d'un membre de secte du nom de Quintus dont les deux yeux n'ont pas la même couleur. Ah! C'est Malo là, c'est Malo.
Salve.
Bah écoute, c'est marronne, hein, c'est comme ça.
Salve and welcome. Need something?
Il y a de qui me laisse faire Gilles?
Terrible shame, that is. Maybe this'll help. Late last night, I was cleaning my oven when I heard some noises outside. The forum's usually dead quiet at that hour, so I came out to see what was going on. To be honest, I thought maybe poor old Dooley had got out of his cell and was snooping around again. So I popped my head out and saw someone in front of Virgil's shop. I couldn't tell who, it was too dark. I called out to them, but they just turned and ran off without a word. All I remember is they ran past a lit torch, and the light glinted off something metallic. Armour, I think. So I suppose it could only be one of three people. Horatius, Domitius, or Rufius. I hope that helps. There's not much to tell. I mostly just bake bread and try to help out where I can.
Comment va-t-il
I
ici?
suppose it all started about 8 months ago. I was living in Rome with my family when I got sick. Terrible timing. My pa had just arranged a husband for me. A fisherman's son. I was about to meet him for the first time when I came down with an awful fever. I spent the next week in bed. Pa paid priests to make offerings to Asclepius, a white rooster, then a goat. But nothing worked. In the end, they decided I'd do better outside the city. Clean air in the countryside would do me good, they said. But after about a day in a carriage on the Appian Way, I was getting worse, not better. I remember closing my eyes for a bit, and I guess I must have fell asleep, because when I opened them again, I was in a forest by a river. I suppose the driver took off with his fee and left me for dead. Can't say I blame him. I wouldn't have wanted to catch what I had either. Anyway, I went searching for help, stumbled across the trapdoor temple, and here I am.
On est tous morts. C'est étrange, la plupart des autres se trouvaient à Rome avant de se réveiller dans les forêts, mais vous dites que vous vous trouviez à une journée à distance du cheval?
Oh yeah. I suppose you're right. Hadn't really thought about it. But the gods are mysterious and powerful. Who knows what their plans are for us?
Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de la règle d'or?
Oh, I try not to worry about it. I mean, if people are nice to each other, we won't have anything to worry about, will we? You're funny. I bet my friend Georgius will like you. And those interesting clothes of yours. And I'm sure he'd love to chatter about the Golden Rule with you too. He'll be just across the forum, in his shop. What? You've been here a few moments and you're desperate to get out already? Why not give the place a chance before you try to leave? Good people here. Galerius works hard on the farm so I can put food on our tables. And Lucretia tries to keep us healthy. My friend Georgius is always mending our clothes. And Virgil makes sure these old walls don't fall down around us. Well, he does his best. I'm just saying, there are worse places you could live out your days. All right. Thanks again for taking care of our problem. I won't forget it.
Ok.
You there. I'm sorry to trouble you, but I couldn't help but notice that fine bow you're carrying. No idea how you managed to get your hands on it, especially in the light of our dear old magistrate's ban, but I'm impressed. And before you ask, no, I wouldn't dream of trying to buy it from you. I have no use for a wooden bow myself. But I would like to propose a joint business venture of sorts.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, do you have any idea how people here end up as golden statues?
Les statues prennent vie et leur tirent des flèches dorées dessus.
And here I was thinking I was the only one to figure it out. In any case, supposedly one or two of those arrows is enough to turn a full-grown man into gold. Now, of course, that is a travesty, a terrible, horrible waste of human life which has to be stopped. And yet, on the other hand, I can't help but think of a tale told by that Greek fella Aesop, the goose that laid the golden egg. With the ability to transmute organic matter into gold, one could create infinite wealth. Use your imagination. Golden animals, insects, trees and plants. The Midas touch without the drawbacks. We are talking riches beyond imagining. And even if we were to split all those riches between the two of us, half of infinite wealth is still infinite. Interested?
Bah, ça ne fait pas de sens ce que tu dis, parce que si la flèche existe réellement, pourquoi est-ce que t'as besoin de l'arc pour le shooter en fait? Genre, il suffit juste que, voilà, si tu veux transformer les insectes, bah le frérot il va pas voir que t'as une flèche d'or, du coup tu peux juste l'approcher, hop, c'est bon, il est enchanté, tu vois. Puis surtout, ça ne sert à rien d'avoir de l'or ici. Il y en a trop.
Look, I might have skimmed over that one, but don't be so pedantic. Are you interested or not?
Dis-moi où sont les flèches?
Excellent. So the first question is, how do we get our hands on one of those golden bows? Now, I have a plan, but first, tell me, are you familiar with the story of the goddess Diana?
Non.
No problem. Allow me to explain. Diana is our goddess of the hunt, the moon, and the underworld, depending on who you ask. The one thing priests and poets agree on is that she carried with her a golden bow and a quiver of golden arrows. And it just so happens that there is a shrine of Diana in this very forum, with a prominent statue of the goddess herself. And would you like to guess what she's holding in her hand?
Un arc doré?
Precisely. I can't tell you how many hours I've spent in that temple staring at it, trying to figure out how to retrieve it without breaking, you know what.
Mais vous voulez que je le vole?
Oh, gods no! If you tried that, we'd all be dead within moments, I'm sure. No, here's what I propose. You give your bow to me, I cover it in a thin layer of gold leaf, and we create a replica of a golden bow. Then you enter the shrine, extinguish the braziers, and under cover of darkness, swap out the fake for the original. It's not theft exactly, it's more of a trade. But make no mistake, this is a dangerous path, and there's no way of knowing where it will lead. But in my experience, all the best adventures begin with a risky first step. Now, you must have questions. Ask away.
C'est pas bête. Pourquoi ne pouvez pas le faire vous-même?
I'm more of an ideas man, whereas you're obviously the more resourceful and heroic type. I have complete confidence in you.
Pourquoi ne puis-je pas simplement le prendre?
Because the gods would see you, of course. Hence my proposal. When Prometheus stole fire from the gods and became a hero to all mankind, do you think he was worried about the danger?
Si je me souviens bien, Prométhée a également été puni pour l'éternité.
Only because he was silly enough to get caught.
Je n'ai pas d'autre question.
So, are you in, partner?
Ok.
Wonderful. Now, if you'll hand over your bow, I can get started applying a layer of gold leaf. This is a quality weapon. Now, bear with me for a moment. And here we are, a gold leaf bow.
Nice. Ah oui, c'est bien recouvert. Hein. EB.
Now I've gone and unlocked the Shrine of Diana for you, so as quick as you can, head on inside. It's just at the end of the street on the left. May the gods not watch over you.
Il y a une ruche. Et merci pour le Red Satanimax. Je suis en plein braquage illégal, totalement dangereux. Et bienvenue aux personnes, bien sûr. Je suis full dans le noir en plus. Attendez, parce que je vois pas très bien ce que je fais. Et coucou, bien sûr. Qu'est-ce que... C'était comment du coup ton live? Vous avez fait quoi de beau? Ah. Et merci pour le follow. Infocube arcade. Et bah bienvenue, hein. Faites-vous, mettez-vous à l'aise. Tu penseras à mon chèque, oh no. Il y a des pots de vin pour aller sur ma chaîne, au secours. Qu'est-ce qui peut se mal passer si tu te fais choper en train de voler tout le monde? Va pas mourir quand même, mais non. C'est juste que... J'arrive pas trop à comprendre comment est-ce que je peux le faire, parce que... Alors où est-ce que j'en suis? Là j'essaye de voler l'arc de Diane. Enfin, pas le voler, le remplacer. Ah, voilà, un petit échange. Petit échange tout à fait innocent. Sauf que j'arrive pas à monter pour... voilà. Ah. Nice. Merci, ton crâne était très précieux. Alors, essayons. si ça marche. Ah! Oh! Et bah ça marche bien. Ah, oh là, oh non, le chargement. Le chargement de l'enfer. Comment ça, je suis au début? Mais tu me spoil que je suis au début. Moi, je croyais que j'avançais bien. Ah, il y a un dead main. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Bonjour. Hello. Ah oui, oui en effet. Oui, oui, ne me spoilez pas, c'est la full découverte. Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait du coup? J'ai découvert que... évidemment full spoil, hein. Moi je vais vous dire du coup. Promis, je dirai rien sur le fait que traite le carrelage avec beaucoup d'irrespect. Oui, bah écoute. Chez Game Dev, on est entre gens courtois. Ah, nice. Et bah écoute, je suis Game Dev aussi. Voilà. Pour l'instant, mon projet est quasiment... Enfin, ce sera en démo, hein, mais ce sera juste en démo, mais du coup, voilà. C'est cool d'avoir plus de Game Dev. Encore plus de Game Dev, ouais. Du coup, t'as terminé le jeu. Ah oui, Forgotten City. Mais du coup, cet Animax, tu m'as pas dit, t'étais sur quoi? Parce que... Du coup, t'es parti faire en stream pendant que moi j'avais commencé aussi. Et du coup, bah je continue. Des algues? Oh, je peux respirer dans les algues. Ok. Genre ça maintient juste mon souffle, mais Ah putain, je viens de capter. Ok. Ce soir, j'étais sur une découverte de Unpetrified. Ah bah tiens. Unpetrified, alors que moi je pétrifie des gens en gold, MDR. Echoes of Nature, un petit jeu où on incarne un golem accompagné d'un petit renard. Oh, c'est trop mignon avec l'exploration et l'île environnementale. Oh, ça avait l'air cool. T'as plus l'air de respirer les papillons. Bah oui, bah oui, bah oui. Du coup, c'est solide, ouais. Ok, maintenant je trouve ça un peu drôle qu'il me regarde. Avant vraiment, ça me foutait les jetons. Hein. J'étais en mode you. Mais un peu bugué quand même. Le LOD est tout pété. Oh non, les éléments apparaissent au dernier moment parfois. D'ailleurs, si tu sais comment ça s'appelle. Je sais pas, ça du clipping, mais je crois que c'est pas le bon terme. Bah. En vrai, c'est juste que ça arrive pas à bien charger et que les chunks sont mal chargés, quoi.
My beloved Galatea, I write this so that one day, when we're finally together, you will understand what I've done and why I had to do it. The others will call me mad or a monster, but I don't care what they think. Everything I'm doing here, I'm doing for you. I'll start at the beginning. Soon after my arrival here, as I walked down a corridor lined with golden statues, I thought I heard a whisper behind me. A rasp of air, as if vocal cords of metal strained to say a word or two. I tried to dismiss the idea, tried to concentrate on my work as the city's medic, but that tortured whisper haunted me. Weeks later, in the hallway to the bathhouse, I heard it again, and found myself drawn to the statue of a Roman woman wearing a stola. Her face was contorted with anguish and fear, and, disturbingly, it was as if she was looking right at me. As I walked past her, I heard that strained whisper again, and turning back, I discovered that, even though I had moved, She was still looking right into my soul. That was when it dawned on me. This was no statue. This was a woman trapped within that golden prison. Naturally, I told the others, but when I could not reproduce the results of my experiment, they would not believe me. But from that moment on, I knew the full horror of this place. Immobilized within these statues are living human beings. It was that day, my love, that my heart broke.
Oh. Et le rouboulet qui déconne parfois et qui s'active plus à la fin de la nuit m'était cassé. Ah merde. Ah t'as fait un clip, let's go, je regarderai ça. Je voudrais dire que tu ne crois pas en toute la science que j'apporte sur un plateau d'argent, c'était des développeurs. J'ai pas trop suivi votre conversation, mais... Faut que je saute là? Vous êtes sérieux? Ah oui, vous étiez sérieux. Nice. Mais je crois que l'or c'est pas si... Enfin je fais mon poids quand même hein. OMG je suis où? Ah dans le chargement, voilà où je suis. Mes deux messages sont décorrélés, mais c'est parce que j'avais déjà donné mon avis à Satanimax sur les bugs d'affichage qui sont les mêmes conclusions que les tiennes, donc je le troll. Ah, ma baffe chez le hauteur c'était pour les humains bien vivants, mais particulièrement immobiles. Je capte. Oh, je suis dans le palais! Let's go! Enfin! Flèche. Ah! Je suis trop choquée pour réagir. C'est bon, le prochain qui arrive là, je le déglingue. C'est compris? J'ai 64 flèches, hein. Putain, mais il y en a en plus, hein. C'est terrifiant, je n'aime pas cette phase. À l'aide.
You're not supposed to be here.
C'est bon? Juste pour être sûr. Non, je crois que là c'est bon. Ils courent gaiement. Ils sont posés, le choc complet. I'm too shooked. Tu étais si vite, je suis morte tant de fois ici. Ah bon? Ah, faut pas me faire chier, moi, je suis pistoléro. Hein. Je vois un truc bizarre, ça sort, hein. ça part. Attention. Ya. J'avais peur du jeu, maintenant j'ai peur de toi. Oh, tout de suite. Aïe aïe aïe. Imperfect, comme on dit. Ouais, bah j'ai l'impression que c'est par là qu'il faut y aller. Ça va, j'ai pas l'impression qu'ils sont si agressifs. Je t'ai vu! Attends, hop. Je vais autoriser, parce qu'apparemment l'automode il fait nudiste, c'est pas ok. T'es tranquille, tu prends ton petit bain nudiste dans la caverne et un random départ qui te change en or. Tout à fait. Voilà, voilà, pourquoi est-ce qu'il y a une... un truc de bagarre là, je suis pas d'accord. Pas d'algues. Ah! Casse les couilles. Bah alors? Ah merde. Bon ça veut dire si je tombe, je suis mort. Oh, ça marche pas. Dans le cul. Ah merde. Oh. Ça marche ça aussi. Bah écoute, je vais pas m'en plaindre. Hein. Ok, donc ouais, je pouvais passer par là ou pas. Les gens se lèvent aussi, quelle idée. il y en avait pas mal, ouais. C'est juste tout cela. Putain, ça fait pas mal, hein. Ça me... Je suis... je ne dirais pas trigger, mais je suis... Sur le qui-vive. Si je peux dire ça comme ça. Clé du palais, let's go!
My beloved Galatea.
Time to story.
After I learned the terrible truth about the golden statues, I wandered the city as if in a nightmare. What must life be like for these poor souls, entombed in gold, but kept alive somehow? Trapped in their own personal Tartarus, consigned to eternal torment, too horrific for any sane mind to comprehend. I tried to offer them what small mercies I could. I began to talk to them, to keep them company. I'd imagine backstories for them, give them names, and tell them of the world, of the histories and stories I'd learned as a child. As the others became more concerned by my charity, I sought solitude from them, preferring the company of my tormented charges. Discovering a way into the abandoned palace, I began to spend my days walking its halls and sharing with its occupants ancient tales, my mind turning to those of Apollo and Daphne, Perseus and Medusa, and Pygmalion and Galatea. Pygmalion, the sculptor who fell in love with a beautiful statue, and who, praying to Aphrodite for aid, discovered that his beloved Galatea had come to life. It was then I hoped with you, Galatea. Forgive me. I know that is not your real name, just one I have borrowed from a story. But when I turned to look at you, I saw the most exquisitely beautiful woman I have ever known. Your face, forever frozen in a look of haunting sadness. Our meeting gave me new purpose, to free you from your golden prison, so that I might one day hear you speak, not just whisper your true name to me. So I gathered tools for the long and difficult task ahead, barred the doors to this place, and set to work.
Eh ben, elle va finir en golden statue, hein. Ah ouais, ok, je comprends mieux ce truc-là. Mais du coup, il y a vraiment des gens dedans, genre en mode... ils sont pas magiques, genre c'est vraiment des gens, quoi. Attention, mon dressine, je tire, hein. Je suis armé et anxieux. Attention. Toi, tu les transperces tous à la vue alors qu'ils veulent juste faire des câlins. Bah oui, bah ils les feront de loin, les câlins. Ah non! J'ai pas besoin, ok. Non, 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 non. Voilà, elle n'a pas tombé, merci. Je peux juste sauter et les abandonner ou je peux les tuer. Bah, le problème, les gars, c'est que... Si vous vous mettez... Ah voilà, toi je peux, je pense. Non, je peux pas, MDR. Mhm. Genre. Ah! Genre ça a pas fonctionné quoi, genre. Oups. Oh.
My beloved Galatea, my attempts at freeing these souls from their golden prisons have not been going to plan. My first charge was a Greek woman who I called Iodame after the Athenian turned to stone by Medusa. Drilling through the gold that encased her, I was vindicated by the discovery that beneath half an inch of gold, which is so rigid it must be some kind of alloy, was living flesh. Unfortunately, this golden alloy seems to have fused with her skin, so removing it exposed the sinew and muscle beneath and appeared to cause her great pain. At first, I braced myself, expecting that inflicting such pain would break the golden rule, and yet, somehow, it did not. It seems whichever god is responsible for imprisoning these poor souls does not care about their suffering at all. They are forsaken. Undeterred, I pressed on, working late into the night, attempting to remove the golden layer that encased her as delicately as I could. Eventually, I was able to free most of her body, but when I released her from her restraints, her first act was to lunge for my throat, clawing at me with all her strength and those sharp metal talons. This was my thanks for trying to save her. Whatever possessed Iodame to attack, she was clearly not a suitable subject for my experiment, and I was forced to lock her inside an isolated wing of the palace and bar the door. As I continued working on others, I could hear her flailing and launching herself at the other side endlessly. Regrettably, my other experiments bore similar results, and after relocating a few times, most of the palace is now too dangerous to work in. Still, as much as my heart aches to know that you're suffering, I cannot risk attempting to ungild you yet. Not until I have perfected a method that will bring you back to me, whole in both mind and body, and ensuring your humanity is preserved. I promise you this. One day we will be together, even if I have to free every last statue in this god's forsaken place.
On a presque eu, hein. J'aime bien la technique du pied, ça marche bien. Oh mais genre. Ah. 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 Petit concert. Statue dorée à nu. Ah. Oui, du coup, sa mort à lui n'enfreint pas la règle d'or, quoi. I guess parce qu'il était considéré comme un pêcheur et du coup... Ah, c'est elle qui me murmure depuis le début. Pouvons-nous parler? Pourquoi m'aidez-vous? Ah. Vous devez être Naevia?
And you must be the wretched snake who broke into my palace and disturbed my experiments. And worst of all, look at what you made me do to her. This never would have happened if you just stayed away. You're going to pay for that.
Ah bon? Si vous m'attaquez, nous ferons tous les deux dans une prison d'or.
And you think I care about that? I don't care what happens to me, as long as you get what you deserve.
Je n'ai rien à voir avec ça.
Liar! I locked and barred the gate. I left a message warning you all to leave me alone. I just wanted to do my experiments in peace. For her. And now look at her. You made me turn the most beautiful woman I've ever seen into this. Look at her. She's in agony. All I wanted was to spend my last moments with her. To see her beautiful face. To hear her speak freely. Instead of in those cryptic whispers. But as soon as I began my work, she stopped whispering to me. And now I discover she started whispering to you instead. What's so special about you?
Oula. Il n'y a pas que cette statue qui me murmure des choses. Nombre d'entre elles le font, mais c'est toujours la même voix.
What do you mean, the same voice?
C'est comme si quelqu'un d'autre me murmurait des choses par l'intermédiaire de ces statues.
Yes. I remember when they used to whisper to me. They did sound similar. I just thought it was because all voices sound the same when they whisper. But now that I think about it, they were all benevolent and seemed to share a common knowledge. But if these bodies are mere conduits for that one voice, then this body is nobody. And everything I've done here was...
De la torture, oui.
Wait, I see what you're doing. You're trying to steal her away from me. Were you planning to wait until I'd done all the hard work, then swoop in? Is that it?
Non. Bah, quoi qu'il arrive, je pense qu'elle va me taper. Hein.
Liar! You tried to steal her away from me, and now look what you made me do. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't peel you too.
J'ai atterri ici et par accident, je ne souhaite qu'une chose, partir d'ici.
What? What are you talking about?
Je ne pouvais pas sortir des tunnels sous la ville, j'ai donc décidé d'entrer dans le palais. Ah.
Wait. So you're saying you weren't coming for us?
Je n'ai jamais eu l'intention de vous faire de mal.
So I did all this. I ruined her. For nothing.
Oui.
What have I done? Oh God, I feel sick. I can't bear the thought of her being like this. And in so much pain. It's the air coming into contact with her flesh. It's agonizing for them. But the only way to fix it will be to break the golden rule and let it run its course. At least that way she'd be golden again, and we'd be together. All it would take is one little cut.
Attendez, je peux résoudre tout ça si vous me donnez le remède contre les rhumatismes.
It's too late. There's nothing you can do. I have to do this. I'm sorry.
Je peux à nouveau leur recourir d'or.
What? How?
L'arc doré est l'arme qui impressionne les gens dans l'or.
Really? I'm not sure I believe you. But if you can undo this mess, I'll tell you what you need to know. But if you're lying to me, I'll break the golden rule and kill you and everyone else in this city. Understood?
Oui.
You did it. You took away her pain. I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you. I swear I will never harm her again. I swear it. I'll stay here to keep her company. But these poor souls, what can be done for them? I've tried everything I can. I fear the only one capable of releasing them properly is whichever god doomed them in the first place. In any case, I must honor our bargain. The treatment for rheumatism is willow bark. I believe there's a pot of it already in the Shrine of Apollo. Now, please leave. The door here leads out onto the palace balcony. You should be able to make your way down from there.
Fouh. Elle fait penser à la mer de la nuit dans Skyrim, ça devait être 7 à 7 dans le mode original. Ah.
Go, and never return.
Je pense que si je lui avais parlé, elle m'aurait défoncé la gueule. Donc je pense que j'ai bien fait. T'as tout ça pour un traitement contre les rhumatismes. J'ai vu l'enfer pour soigner tes petits genoux. Hein. J'espère que tu vas apprécier. Nice. Pouf. Ah, et bah c'était...
Welcome.
C'était...
Feeling all right?
Plein de rebondissements. J'ai trouvé un remède contre les rhumatismes.
You made it into the palace. I'm impressed. How is it here?
Elle est en vie, mais soit qu'on la laisse tranquille et le traitement c'est de l'écorce de saule.
Willowback. I should have known. It was under my nose the whole time. That's very helpful. Thank you. If this works, it should settle Rufius down some. I have some right here. Could you do me a favor and give him some of this? He'll just need to swallow a pinch of it. I'm hoping it will avert disaster.
Nice.
Thank you. I'm really glad you arrived when you did. That's a shame. Thanks again for saving Yulia's life.
Bon, il est parti où le Rufus? Parce que la dernière fois je l'avais vu ici, mais aucune idée de savoir où est-ce qu'il est maintenant. Ah, il y a un marqueur de quête. Merci le marqueur de quête. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait aussi bas? Ah, il est là, ok. Ah merde!
Name's Rufius. Better watch.
Ensuite, je vous rhumatisme.
What business is that of yours?
J'ai découvert un remède, manger un morceau de cette écorce de saule, vous devriez vous sentir mieux en rien de temps.
Willowbark. And this will work? Oh, thank God. Finally, some relief. This is what I've been praying for. Maybe God hasn't abandoned me after all. Thank you.
All weapons are to be tossed into the chasm. Magistrate's orders.
In a lot of pain lately. The rheumatism, these cursed statues always watching, and the crisis of faith. It was too much. Started messing with my head. This is exactly what I needed to set it straight again. I owe you one.
Il peut pas se poser, j'en peux plus. Quelle est votre histoire?
Can't talk long. Got to stay sharp, but family's from Seleucia on Tigris, Babylon province. But I've been roaming a long time now. Even joined the legions, the 6th. Fine.
Est-ce vous qui menacez Fergile?
No idea what you're talking about.
Mais à chaque fois que je bluffe, l'ambiance est trop cool, elle donne envie de manger du raisin, j'avoue. Que pensez-vous de la règle d'or?
I'll tell you this much. I hate the fact that my survival depends on the common sense of other people.
J'ai survécu à une pandémie? Hein? Il y a vraiment ça dans le jeu, mais je croyais que le jeu il était old de fou. Genre qu'il était vieux, genre qu'il datait de 2016 ou un truc comme ça. Ah, c'est post-Covid!
I mean, all these people just bumble along like nothing's wrong. Well, we're one bad decision away from being wiped out. Like the last lot of people who lived here.
Ah ouais.
Seems like I'm the only one ready for what's coming. Whatever that is. And when it hits, it's everyone for themselves. You've been warned.
Qu'est-ce qui arrive, selon vous?
I don't know. But did you ever get the feeling some of these statues are watching us when we're not looking? Like they're waiting for something. I don't like it.
That doesn't help me. Meliodas. Not sure I trust Sentius. Couldn't even protect his daughter in a city without sin. How's he going to protect us?
Puis-je faire pour changer?
No. Who do you want me to vote for? Fine. See you around.
Et du coup, faut que je le convainc.
Fortune smile on
What
your
is it,
sister.
citizen?
So exotic.
He's one of the better commanders I've ever had. That's for sure.
Citizen.
Treat your inferior as you can't ask for. What? Absolutely not. I know someone's been threatening him, and I'm not happy about it. But I can assure you, it isn't me. Not that it's any of your business, but unfortunately, I don't think my vote is going to make. See, Domitius has been going around town, shoring up votes for Malleolus with lies, bribery. The man's a savage. Sentius knows about it, of course. This place will be different with that Slays at the helm. I suppose it is. All right?
Bon, faut que je le convainc.
Salve again, friend. I went and did as you asked, and how is it possible that you've just arrived here and you already... You're toying with me, right? Wait, you're not kidding, are you? That's the only way you could have known. You're a bit like... Oh, what was his name? Sisyphus. Yeah, that's the one. Old King Sisyphus.
Comme Sisyphus? Comment ça?
Sisyphus was a Greek king a long time ago. For daring to think he could outsmart the gods, he was given a terrible punishment. He was forced to push a great boulder up to the top of a hill. Only, just as it reached the top, it would roll all the way back down to the bottom, forcing him to start over and over and over again, for all eternity. Just like you. Actually, now that I think about it, there are a bunch of old stories about the gods punishing people by making them do the same futile task over and over. Tantalus was made to grasp a fruit on a tree he could never quite reach. The Pleiades had to keep fetching water in a sieve. Oh, and Ixion was strapped to a wheel going round and round forever. But on the bright side, at least you're not stuck in the underworld like they all were. Anyway, I don't know what got you managed to upset to get yourself into this position, friend, but you seem all right to me. So, I'll tell you what. I'll keep doing whatever I can to help you. And you just focus on finding a way to break the cycle you're in.
Merci.
Oh, that's kind of you to say. Now, I'm going to keep your secret. Although, it's not as if I'll remember this next time we talk anyway, right? Oh, and if our conversations ever start to annoy you, just tell me you're busy. I know when I'm not wanted. May fortune smile on you, friend. Salve again, my... Now.
Magistrat.
I've bounced the idea around once or twice, mainly as a way of getting Dooley set free. But from what I... maybe that's not such a bad thing.
Si Meliodas se représente, il enfreindra la règle d'or et nous tuera tous.
How could you... Oh, wait. You've seen it in another time loop, haven't you?
Oui.
Well, in that case, we need to find a way to make sure Malleolus loses. Better yet, get him to withdraw altogether. If you can do that, and Sentius is the only candidate left, I'll run against him. Deal?
Et merci pour le raise, The Shop. Bah alors, il y en a comme moi qui font... qui sont des couches tard, mais j'avoue que là, le jeu, il me prend beaucoup trop et... J'ai pas vu l'heure. Mais en tout cas, bienvenue sur le stream, qu'est-ce que vous faisiez?
Alright, friend. Hope you find a way to break that cycle you're in.
Est-ce que du coup, je peux le convaincre?
You again.
Hop.
Meliodas. No. Fine. I'll vote for Sentius. But no more favors. We're square. See you around.
Je viens de terminer un bon jeu d'horreur, Fear the Spotlight. Oh, vraiment super comme petit jeu. Ah, c'est un petit jeu, c'est trop bien ça. Et bonjour bien sûr, tout le monde, bonjour, bonjour.
Isn't that a big long bow?
Citizen.
Le demi celui ici, on peut plus être tranquille.
Fortune smile on you, sister.
Ça s'entresuit quoi. Mais il fait presque nuit. Qu'est-ce que je peux faire? Parce que je pense qu'il est trop tard pour que j'harcèle... J'ai vu une vidéo narrative de ton jeu il y a longtemps. Qu'as-tu découvert pour le moment? Du coup, c'est une full découverte, donc ça qui est trop bien. J'ai découvert pas mal de choses. Si je te dis que j'ai survécu au palace, ça te met là à peu près où j'en suis. Voilà, et j'ai le golden bow. Voilà, c'est pas mal. Oui, du coup il faut que je retourne tout en haut. Il ne fallait pas me le faire découvrir en... Et bim, mon beau satani... Satanimou. Je sais plus ce que c'est le palais, mais Golden Bow c'est pas mal. Ouais, tout à fait. Bah en fait le palais c'est... un enfer tout simplement, voilà. C'est là où tu découvres qu'il y a quelqu'un qui essaye de retirer l'or sur les statues. Et du coup à l'intérieur il y a des gens qui sont toujours vivants, et sauf que quand tu retires toute leur couche d'or, et bah ce sont des... ce sont des squelettes vivants avec plein de nerfs et de chair qui restent et qui pendouillent, voilà, un enfer. Tu as toujours les clés que tu as déjà. Oh attends, mais ça a été... Ah mais oui, parce qu'il s'est pas suicidé. Du coup ça n'a pas fait un trou. Il est smart le jeu. Il a pas sauté. Du coup le sol il est pas cassé. Je sais que c'est toi qui le menace.
Malleolus isn't receiving visitors at the moment, it being election day.
C'est vous qui menacez Virgile, non?
Do I seem like anonymous threats of my style?
Oui.
You don't know Sturkus.
Comment je peux découvrir qui c'est du coup?
Whatever.
Thank you. Domitius doesn't usually let anyone in here without a hefty tribute, so you must have been desperate to see me. Well, what do you want?
Donc vous êtes Quinctus? Haha, je l'ai eu.
My name is Marcus Malleolus Gurgis. You seem to have confused me with someone else.
Vous avez un œil vert et un œil bleu, comme dans la description donnée sur l'ordre d'exécution émis par l'empereur Néron.
You mean my heterochromia? I am guilty of nothing more than having different colored eyes. And I'm hardly the only person with the condition. Alexander the Great had it too, as it happens. I like to think it is simply the way the gods have chosen to mark a natural-born ruler. Nothing more.
Quinctus souffre également de la folie des grandeurs.
Well, I am not suffering from any delusions, as today's election will firmly establish.
Tu vas te coucher, tu te lèves dans 5 heures. Bonne chance. Allez, bisous. Moi aussi je voudrais me coucher, je vais me rater la suite du live. Oh, tu me dis qu'il faut que j'aille me coucher, c'est ça? J'avoue.
Unlikely, because it simply isn't true. Now, was there something else you wanted? I trust you can see yourself out.
Bon. J'ai juste envie de tester un truc.
The many shall suffer for the sins of the one.
Allez, j'échappe à ma mort. Je me suis dit, c'est une façon comme une autre, hein. J'ai transformé ma lousse en or, oui. Je me suis dit, vu que c'est le pouvoir magique des dieux, peut-être qu'on va apprendre que c'est une sanction, tu vois. Non. Bon, et bah du coup, c'est ici que je vais m'arrêter pour ce soir, parce qu'il y a des gens qui veulent dormir et suivre en live. Parce que je comprends, en vrai, il est tard.